Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're going to be taking a look at number 14 Ellis Road. Now this is a beautiful detached bungalow, and it's full of character at every turn really. It's a really fantastic lifestyle option. You're going to be close to the sea and you're close to the high street here as well, so you've got shops and cafes and restaurants only a short walk away. Now as we just come through this hedged entrance here, we come into this little entranceway, and you can already sense the sheer amount of character that you've got with the plot that it sits on. It's just absolutely beautiful. You're so enclosed and private here. It's just a beautiful setting for a beautiful house. So with no further ado, we'll of course have a little look at the garden area here, and then we'll go inside and take a really good look at this really substantial bungalow. So we've had a good chance to take a look at the garden space with this bungalow, and now we've got the opportunity to just walk around and get a feel for exactly what's on offer with this property. It's a very, very substantial space, and of course you can already see here from this lovely big entrance hall, you know, space is certainly no compromise here. With the layout of the property, you've got 6 bedrooms with this property, and you do have the ensuite master bedroom here as well. So we're taking a look here at one of the first 6 bedrooms, and you already get a sense for that character, that lovely big bay window there at the front that you can see. It's just a wonderful, wonderful space. What we'll do now is we'll just head through the main entrance hall, and we'll go and take a look at another one of the bedrooms. So here we are in another double bedroom, and that's one of the fantastic things about this property. You've got such good sized bedrooms. So of course with this one you can see those two lovely big windows there at the side, and it's currently organised with 2 single beds, but this is easily a double sized room. So we'll go through and take a look at the rest now. So here we are in the family bathroom, and of course the nice thing is you've got the separated toilet and separate family bathroom here. So of course with a property of this many bedrooms, of course you do have the ensuite, but it's nice to just have that separated space between the bathroom and the separate loo. So we'll go through and take a look at that now. Here we are in another bedroom, and again you can see there's a double-sized bed in there. So again, a really good space with this room. You've got that lovely big window there at the back, just letting all of that natural light through. Of course this bedroom does have the shower cubicle in it at the moment, but of course whether or not you'd like to have that is completely up to you. That's the great thing about this property. You can have it as such a versatile layout. You know, whatever you need to suit you, this property really can do it. So come through now into this really impressive lounge space, and you can see you've got that nice fireplace there, just adding a bit of warmth to the room. But it's a really lovely space, and it is a very big space. Of course, you've got plenty of floor space here for furniture, for everything really. And of course you've got those lovely set of French doors just leading through into that sunroom over there that we'll go and take a look at in a bit. So here we are in this sunroom, and it is a lovely space overlooking the garden. You've got an abundance of natural light coming through. It's a fantastic room that you can either use as another reception space, or as a dining area, or as just a bit of a snug or a cosy area. It's completely up to you. It's just a lovely space to have, just located off of that garden there. So we have a more formal dining area here, and you can see that lovely big characterful fireplace there, and the abundance of windows. Of course, you've got those nice 2 windows there located on that corner, again just letting all that natural light in. But this is a really nice space to have organised as a dining area, and of course it's located right next to the kitchen, so it's a nice practical distance to travel with food. It's a really nice layout just off of that lounge and just next to the kitchen area. So here we are, of course, in the kitchen. You can see you've got a full set of fitted appliances in here, everything that you'd need, and you do have that side access there just into the rear garden. It's a really brilliant space. And of course you saw the door just behind us there. You do have the cloakroom there as well, so it's a brilliant space. So before we go and take a look at the master bedroom, we'll just peek our heads through here, and you'll see we've got another bedroom as well. So again, you've got 6 bedrooms with this property. We'll go through and take a look at the master bedroom first, but of course that was another bedroom there. So coming through into this master bedroom space, it's a really large and imposing area. Of course, you've got those lovely big bay windows there at the front, just letting all of that natural light through, and you do have the ensuite here as well. So of course you can see that whacking great bed there, and you've got plenty of space for chests of drawers and wardrobe cupboards as well. So a really big imposing space. There's a wonderful master bedroom, and you can see the views there overlooking the garden. It's just a lovely space. So now we find ourselves upstairs in the last of the property's 6 bedrooms, and as you can see, it is a really wonderful space. You've got plenty of room here for the double bed, and it's just a wonderful area up here. So just to recap on a few things before we leave here, this is a detached characterful bungalow, and the plot that it sits on is well established, and it works out at about 1/4 of an acre. So this is a substantial bungalow on a 1/4 acre plot, located only moments away from the seafront and from the high street. And of course, not to forget, you do have a garage here as well as plenty of off-road parking.